So the questions which are about sum of angles for cosine sine x plus y, x minus y, by using the shapes. We have kind of two basic shapes in here, which is for these basic shapes, you just draw a parallel line over there. Once you make these two angles, x and y, the theta, tangent theta over there turns into tangent x plus y. And you just need to find tangent x and tangent y from the shape. So another similar question, BEC probably this place, and you just turn it into x plus y, and that turns into tangent x plus y. And then this one, it's asking about cosine of OAC, the angle OA and AC, which is all of these. So which is already, we have two parts over there, which is x and plus y. You just need to find that, open this with formula, then later you need to find the cosine x and cosine y by using the right triangles which are there in. Now, if you wanted me to solve this example once again, let's do that in another page. Another page. Now we need to find the sine x, so which is, we need to explain the angle which they are asking in here as sum of or difference of any two other angles which are related with right triangle. Right now we have a 90-degree and we have two right triangles over there. Firstly, I show the angles of the small one, and then let's show the angles of the big one. So to explain this x, what kind of angles can you use? So x is equal to, for example, let's name these two as A and B, the other red ones as like C and D. So there is a triangle ADB. One interior angle is equal to exterior angle minus the interior. We can also say that B minus D. X angle is equal to, from B you subtract D, which is B is inside of small right triangle, D is inside of big right triangle. For x, we can also write another equation, which is this angle C over there, and A, which is C minus A. It doesn't matter which one you use. So let's use C minus A. So we need sine of x, which is exactly same as sine of C minus A. So firstly, let's open this with formula, sine C times cosine A. And then if there is minus, it's minus. Then cosine of C times and sine of A. So then this A angle is inside of a small right triangle, small sized right triangle, and we have the sides over there, 5 and 12. The third side you need to find. So for the third side, you can use the Pythagorean theorem. 5 squared plus 12 squared is equal to question mark squared. So actually, this is a spatial right triangle. You should be able to find this directly, 5, 12, and 13. I just wrote this. If you don't know how to find, the question mark equals to square root of this side, which is 5 squared plus 12 squared, which is, you are going to get in here 169. Square root of 169, you will find 13, or you should find 13. So then we draw the triangle once again. Actually, you don't have to draw, but I am drawing it for you to understand better what's happening. So the big triangle with corners ACB. This side has the length 12.
Baba, kapı yapmışsın.
Okay. This side has the length 12, and this side from B to C completely, it also has that, the distance 12. We need to find the hypotenuse over there. We can again use the Pythagorean theorem, which is the hypotenuse goes to the right side, question mark squared, and the other two sides, 12 squared plus 12 squared in here. But if you realize that this is also a spatial triangle, which is A and A, If they are the same size, not a, let's use alpha in here because a we already have used. So the third side turns into alpha square root of 2, which is 12 square root of 2. You can also get this result by using the Pythagorean theorem in here. Anyway, after you get those triangles and numbers ready, it is time to find the solution. Sine of C angle. See which one is for C? C belongs to the big triangle on the top part. This is the C angle. And A belongs to a small triangle on the top side, top part over there. Now I am writing sine of C angle. Opposite side, which is 12, over the hypotenuse 12 square root 2 times cosine of A. So adjacent of A, 12, over hypotenuse of this triangle is 13. Then minus, I should write cosine of C angle, and adjacent of C angle, adjacent side of C angle is 12, and hypotenuse of big triangle is 12 square root 2, then times sine of A angle. Opposite side of A angle is 5 over hypotenuse of small triangle 30. So there are some friends of you, they forget simplifying. Please check that if there are anything that you can simplify, please simplify them while you can. Or you get really big numbers, then it's being messy. So let's use something visible color. So the first part turns into 1 and 1. 1 times 12 is 12. Square root 2 times 13, 13 square root 2. Minus the second part, once you simplify, they remain as 1 over there. 1 times 5 is 5. And you also have 13 square root 2 in here, square root 2 times 13. Since you have same denominators, 12 minus 5 makes 7 over 13. Square root 2 should be the final answer.